This month during the lockdown, we are paying tribute to those who are on the front lines. And tonight's healthcare hero is an ICU nurse at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center in Boston. Her name is Taylor Chace-Myers, and she joins us now from her home. Hello, Taylor.
Hi, Jimmy.
Thank you for joining us.
Honor to meet you.
It's more of an honor to meet you. I understand you've been working very long shifts, huh?
Extremely long shifts. I work night shifts, so, it's busy at night and there's less staff, so it's tough.
You work what, like 7 to 7, 12-hour shifts?
Yeah, 7 to 7.
Is that a normal shift? Have you ever seen anything like this before?
Yeah, so 7P to 7A is a normal shift, but have I seen anything like this COVID-19 before? Well, we had a crisis in Boston in 2013, and I worked in the trauma ICU then. And the Boston Marathon bombing was like huge for our city, and it was a catastrophe, but it wasn't the exact same, because this, you feel like you're more susceptible to the illness and everything of the patient. With that, it was just you didn't have your own worry of you getting sick or your family getting sick.
What is it like at the hospital where you're working? I mean, are people on edge? How are people holding up there?
I mean, there's like an overlying tension in general, and it's like hugely anxiety provoking. But in general, our hospital is like, and Boston in general, like our healthcare workers are strong and resilient, and like we lean on each other a ton. So we have that, and I feel like we'll get through it. But it's definitely like this weird, like, tense area.
Do you have all the supplies that you need at the hospital?
I mean, honestly, every hospital needs more PPE. I think that's like, in general, like needs to be like the number one priority for like the entire nation, really.
You also have 2 little kids, right? How old are your kids?
Yeah, my son is 3. His name's Quinn, and my daughter Sawyer is 18 months.
And your husband, I understand, also has been working, helping to find childcare for people who are affected and infected by the virus.
Yeah, he is an attorney for the Department of Early Education and Care, and he's been working tirelessly from home to set up emergency childcare for all like the frontline personnel of Massachusetts.
Well, I don't think we could find a more deserving family to honor. So what we wanted to do, our friends at Lavazza Coffee want to give you, first of all, $10,000 to do whatever you like with, however you want to. You could buy 10 rolls of toilet paper or whatever you can get with that now. Also, they are going to donate.
If you can buy toilet paper.
They are going to donate 4,500 bags of coffee to your hospital, to the workers there, which hopefully will keep you guys going and awake. And they've donated 50,000 bags of coffee to other hospitals across the country. And we just wanted to say thank you. I mean, I don't know how many times we could ever say thank you to be grateful enough for what you're risking and what you're doing. But we are, all of us. I think you probably know that, and I hope you're hearing that from people in person as well.
Yeah, I mean, we so appreciate the support. It's hugely tough to go to the hospital day after day and night after night, and then have to come home to your family, and you're worried about bringing anything home or just being infected personally. And just like the support and the laughs from you, Jimmy, is like super helpful to keep our mental health and spirit up.
Well, thank you. We appreciate everything you do. Take care of those kids, and thank you for doing everything that you are doing right now. If you have a healthcare hero you would like to nominate to be honored on our show, just post about it using the hashtag healthcarehero. Thank you very much, Taylor. Take care.
Thank you so much, Jimmy.